we're looking at area and circumference of the circle. I have a circle as shown. This is the rough sketch of a circle, and this outer part of the circle, this part around the circle like this, is the circumference of the circle. So this is circumference. This is the circumference around the circle gives you the circumference. When we talk about area, we're talking about shaded region of the circle. So inside the circle means you are referring to area of the circle. So this is area of the circle. So if I have a circle, a line drawn from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference is called the radius. This is the radius. This is the radius. And this is the radius. So the line drawn from the center of the circle to any part of the circle is called the radius of the circle. So we have the radius is equal to the line drawn from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference. So we could also have a circle. The line that divides the circle into two equal parts is called the diameter. So this is diameter. So that follows that half of the diameter gives the radius. So in that case, this is a diameter. So we can say D is equals to 2 times the radius. Because if this is the center of the circle, it means this is radius. And this other part is also the radius. So with that in mind, we now establish the fact that if you are given the diameter of the circle as 10, if diameter is equals to say 20, then radius is equals to diameter over 2, which will be 20 over 2. So the radius will be 10. If radius is equals to 7 cm, then diameter is equals to 2 times the radius, which is 2 times 7. That gives me 14 cm. So we must take note of the fact that diameter is equal to 2 times the radius, and radius is equal to diameter over 2. So if you are given diameter as 20 and you're required to find the radius, simply divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. If you are given the radius, like in this case as 7, to get the diameter, simply multiply it by 2 to get the diameter. So it's good for us to establish that fact. So having understood what diameter is, we'll talk about the area. What is the area of the circle? Area of the circle, area of the circle area of a circle A is given as pi r square, where pi is equals to 22 over 7 and r is the radius of the circle. So that if we are asked to take a sample example, say example 1, to calculate the area of a circle with radius 7 cm, we simply have that area is equals to pi r square. Normally we'll be given the value of pi as 22 over 7 or 3.142. So in this case, what I simply do, this 22 over 7 for pi is a constant. So we now have the area of this circle is simply equals to pi. I'll put 22 over 7 there, that is 22 over 7 times the radius here, arrow is 7 cm. So I have times 7, that's r square, 7 square, which essentially means 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. So 7 can cancel 7, and 22 times 7 will give me 154. So I have that as equal to 154 centimeter square. So I have been able to calculate the area of that circle.